Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tracing Sketch in Ibis Paint X. First, open the Ibis Paint X application on your device. Next, tap on My Gallery and then the plus sign to create a new canvas. Choose your desired canvas size, perhaps a standard 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now, import your reference image by tapping the camera icon and selecting your picture. Once your image is on the canvas, it is time to prepare it for tracing. Tap the Layers panel and select your imported image layer. Reduce its opacity to around 30%, making it translucent. This helps your tracing lines stand out clearly. Then, add a brand new, empty layer directly above your reference image. This will be your dedicated drawing layer. Now, with your new layer selected, choose your preferred brush from the Tools menu. A dip pen or felt tip pen often works well for clean lines. Pick a color that contrasts nicely with your reference image, like black or a dark blue. Begin tracing over the main outlines and details of your imported picture. Take your time to ensure your lines are precise and smooth. After you have finished tracing all the necessary elements, return to the Layers panel. You can now hide the original reference image layer by tapping its eye icon. This reveals only your traced drawing. Take this opportunity to clean up any lines, add shading, or include extra details. Finally, save your beautiful new tracing sketch to your device's gallery or share it with others.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.